only to fit in at least, or this is 7, and we need to fit in 7 socks.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
What are we asking you?
Now we're gonna get pushed to just do it from a lot of people to start showing up.
We're gonna what?
Get pushed to do it before just a ton of people start showing up.
Attempt number 5 of our first vlog. We're currently in a hostel in South Kensington. We woke up at 4 a.m.
Yeah. We got there pretty late last night, and so we weren't able to get beds together. The room was just a bunch of twin mattresses and little bunk beds. Last night I got to the room and Megan said, "I think there's 2 people in the bunk above you." As I was falling asleep, we heard the guy above me just start talking on his phone and just start cursing someone out all night.
Really loud.
So I wasn't able to fall asleep for much of the night because he kept just talking and talking and being really loud. And the guy was moving around and his credit card just fell down on top of us. And so we just took it and put it down. Megan kept trying to read the name of it for some reason.
You don't even include that. Update. I was trying to figure out his name so I could figure out his nationality because he kept on switching between English and some other language, and he was saying very dirty words the whole night.
And then, yeah, we got up around 7, got dressed, and we're in the common room now. We're gonna look for breakfast soon. Currently trying to find Shakespeare's Globe. It is freezing.
As you can tell.
Megan keeps walking ahead every time I stop because she has her hood so high up that she can't see me. Here she is.
Thank you.
We then crossed the Millennium Bridge to the Tate Modern, one of London's most well-known museums. The Tate got its name from Sir Henry Tate, a sugar merchant and philanthropist. It was designed by Giles Gilbert Scott, who is also known for designing the iconic red telephone boxes that fill London streets. Opening in May of 2000, the Tate is a London favorite, as well as being one of our favorite things: free.
Came to London and Big Ben is under construction. Also, Megan is not doing well with the cold, so let's go find her now. What do you think of Big Ben being in scaffolding?
I'm so upset. Oh my god.
The next day we went to the train station to catch a train to Paris, but the giant blizzard Storm Emma had caused all trains to be cancelled. We ended up staying a few extra nights before going to Belgium instead, and staying in a hotel because it was so last minute.
Walking back to the hostel.
Oh my.
I think Megan's a little cold.
It's freezing!
Just went to the hostel to get our backpacks. Now we are going to the hotel. Show me your backpack. Here we go. Just a bag.
Oh, good.
That's it?
For what? Did you buy this?
Yeah.
When?
When you were getting your eyebrows done?
No way.
calories.
We are searching for a convenience store to find snacks. We cannot find some anywhere. All the supermarkets seem to be closed.
Indeed.
And it's only like 7 p.m.
7 p.m. We found snacks. We got it!
We're walking back to the hotel and this kid walks past Megan and just asks her for directions and she screams and runs away.
I was frightened.